Here we are at the ASUS booth at CES 2026. We're going to take a look around to see their new laptops. They've got a new Duo laptop as well. They've even introduced the Zephyrus gaming Duo laptop. There's even a partnership with GoPro. So let's check it out. Here we have the new ASUS Zenbook A16. Now, it's got a gorgeous 16-inch OLED display. It's also covered in their unique material, Ceraluminum. So Ceraluminum is their own it's a mix of ceramic and metal, and it is now both on the lid and also around the keyboard and trackpad as well. Now, what was the big breakthrough last year was the battery life, and this is a Copilot Plus PC powered by a Snapdragon processor. The A14 had a 32-hour battery life, but the A16 can take that even further to a 35-hour battery life. Now the attraction of this laptop is also how light it is. This is only 1.2 kilos. It's a featherweight laptop despite having a 16-inch display. So this is ideal for that user on the go who wants hours out of their laptop. They might be on the move, they can't be charging it every 5 minutes. So it's got this massive screen, so really nice big workspace, very light, 35-hour battery life, expected in Australia in the first quarter. Here we have the ASUS Zenbook Duo. Now this is a follow-up to last year's model. Really impressive improvement, thinner bezels, more batteries as well. Last year there was only a battery on one of the displays. Now there's a battery behind both displays, so longer battery life. But just the sheer versatility of a product like this, you can see here there's two screens. So you can have maybe your emails down here, what you're working on up here, and you can also have it in various modes. And the keyboard is also detachable, so you can actually have it in this dual screen mode, or if you want to have it in your normal laptop mode, the keyboard magnetically reattaches to the laptop, and boom, you're back in your regular laptop mode. It's powered by the new Intel Core Ultra X9 processor. Has a really efficient cooling system as well. So it really has all the bells and whistles for that ultra user who needs to have this sort of screen real estate on the move, and also that power on the move as well. So you're getting that performance, these great screens, long battery life, and what more could you want? Here we have ASUS's new ProArt laptop, but there's a bit of a difference with this one. They've actually formed a partnership with GoPro. ASUS is known to partner with other brands, and in this case, this is a really smart collaboration. What they've done here is not only had a software collaboration, so you get 12 months free subscription to the GoPro app, but they've also made design changes as well as including accessories. GoPro's all about accessories, right? So there's a whole bunch of accessories you can get to go with this ProArt GoPro edition. Now, ProArt typically is for creatives, for content creators on the move, and what better brand to partner with to have these cameras that these content creators use in the field. So now it's all blended into one device, and that's a 4K display, by the way, too, OLED display. So you're getting you get the free subscription, you get the really nice design and branding on the machine as well. Great screen, one great package if you're a content creator and also a GoPro user. We saw earlier the Zenbook Duo with the two screens. Well, now there's a version for gamers, the ROG, Republic of Gamers Zephyrus Duo, world's first dual gaming laptop. So you get the benefits of not only the performance, you've got an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor on board, but also the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 powering this beast over here. And you also get the luxury of having two screens. Now, obviously isn't as slim and light as the Zenbook Duo. Reason for that is obviously that it's packing CPU, GPU into one unit. But the benefits of having the 2 screens though, any gamer will tell you more screen real estate is what they want. So you can be having all your gameplay up here and all your maps and other tools on the lower screen, so you do really see the benefit. It does have several modes as well, so you can have your normal laptop mode, you can have a share mode, there's also a tent mode where you can actually be playing against each other on the same game, and then there's also your regular laptop mode. So all the benefits of having a really powerful gaming laptop now expanded into having 2 screens and thereby having all those extra modes as well. So a gamer's paradise here with the Zephyrus Duo. Now for your serious gamers, ASUS has something for you. This is the GM1000. And you can probably see this massive tower has a hologram. There's actually a hologram here on the side, and also there's another one on the front. And this is, obviously that's for decoration, but they do have features here to optimize the performance. You've got CPU, GPU separated. It's also, this door opens here. It also has, and if you put your ear in here, it's actually pretty loud, but also fans whirring around. This is actually a soundproof door, so none of the sound escapes, so it's not going to affect your gameplay. And it is actually pretty cool in there. They've got fans running. It's cool enough to put a drink in there and cool it down. So it keeps, obviously, everything cool. It's got all this beautiful decoration, but most importantly, it has the power. It's got your separate CPU, GPU, but have a look at it. Just looking at it is entertainment, let alone playing a game.